Okay, guys, so welcome to another episode in our incredible Arduino series. In this particular series, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Arduino serial monitor. Okay, so very quickly, I will click on my Arduino IDE and open it up. Okay, so let's wait for it to load up. Let's wait for it to load up, and then it loads up. Okay, so now for a quick review, what is an Arduino serial monitor? Okay, so Arduino serial monitor is basically a debugging tool. So what do I mean by that? It is a tool that we use to check for errors in our code. So imagine you have a bunch of sensors connected together, or maybe your robot, and then a particular one is not working, or you want to be able to visualize the data coming off that particular sensor or that particular device. So something that can help you do that is the serial monitor. Now, for you to be able to use the serial monitor, you have to plug in your Arduino Uno to your computer. Okay, so you won't be able to use it if you don't plug it. Now, let's quickly talk about how to use the Arduino serial monitor. Okay, so I will just open a new sketch. So I used my bare minimum. So remember, if you don't know how to get to the bare minimum, you can just go to File and go to Examples, Basic, and then you click on bare minimum. It will open up. Okay, so in this particular video, so let us quickly see how to use the serial monitor. Now, for you to use the serial monitor, you need to initialize it. And how do we initialize the serial monitor? We say serial dot begin. Okay, so you are telling the serial to begin. So you see, once I wrote serial dot begin, the color changes to orange. Okay, so put a bracket. Then we put a number here. That number is known as the baud rate. Okay, that number is known as the baud rate. So what is baud rate? Baud rate simply means how fast your data transmission is. Okay, so we are going to see later that you can also increase this number. But for now, let me just use this number you're seeing here. Then when I say serial.begin, so the serial is officially started. Then I can actually tell the serial to do something for me. So when you start it, you can ask it to do something for you. For example, I can say, okay, print something. So how do I tell it to print something for me? I can say serial dot print. Very simple. Then I have to give it what to print. So if I want it to print a bunch of strings or bunch of sentence, I have to put it in something like this. So I say hello. Let me just say hello for now. Close that bracket and don't forget to put your semicolon. So remember to choose your board and your ports. Don't forget that. Okay, then I click upload. So I wait for it to compile the sketch. So it's compiling. It is uploading about now. It is uploading. It is uploading. Okay, it is done. So I will now go and click this icon here. This is a serial monitor. So I click this and then boom. So we see hello was displayed here. So hello is displayed here to show that our serial monitor is responding to our call. Okay, now looking at this page, at this serial monitor, now look at this baud rate. So you see baud, we use 9600. So you can choose any number you use here. Now, if I go and choose a baud rate, let's say I choose 250,000 here, and then clear the outputs, and then close this and try to open it again, nothing shows up. So nothing shows up on the baud rate. Why does nothing show up on this? It is because that in my code, the baud rate I used is 9600. So I used the baud rate of 9600, and because I used the baud rate of 9600, I have to maintain that baud rate of here at this point, sorry. Okay, so make sure you go back. So if I click this and automatically you see it prints. Now, but what is the problem we are having here? Okay, so of course, everything here is working. Now, but what if I wanted the hello to print multiple times? What am I going to do? So let me close this and then remove this hello from here. So remember, void setup is when you want your code to run only once. So I clear this and I come to this point. So I can paste it here. So if I want it to repeat several times, so print hello. Okay, so I can click on upload and wait for the code to appropriately upload. Okay, it has uploaded. Then I go to my serial monitor, So wow, that is really fast. So I cannot even keep up with my eye. Okay, so what do we do to do that? Now, what was our problem? What was our problem? Our problem was that we did not put a delay, so the computer was going very fast for us to keep up. So what do? We can use a delay. Remember, we have used delay in the previous videos. If you've not done that, please go and watch those videos. Okay, so we have a delay of 1000, meaning we are waiting 1 second before we print the next one. So let me upload again. So I upload again, I wait for it to compile the sketch, and then it is uploading, done uploading. So I go to my serial monitor again, and then you see, I'm seeing hello, 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 hello. Now, what we are seeing here is also not very beautiful because, yeah, I can see the hello, but I want the next hello to be on the next line. So how do we do that? Okay, so close this. Then to do that, all I have to do is come to this print and add ln. So what this means is serial.print on new line. So print ln means new line. So it will go to the new line to print the next code. So I click upload. Don't forget to upload. And when I upload that, I check out my serial monitor and then hello, boom. So you see, it has that. Okay, so that is basically that on the serial monitor. Okay, this is just a preview. In other videos, we are going to be talking more about how to use the serial monitor, okay, because we have so many things to do on that. Okay, but that is enough for this video. Now for this video, my assignment is I want you to connect an LED. So remember, in the previous videos, I have showed you how to connect an LED. Connect an LED to pin 8 of the Arduino Uno, pin 8, or, okay, better still, just connect to any pin you want, any pin of the Arduino Uno you want, okay? Now, when you connect that, I want you to turn on the LED, okay? I want you to turn it on. If you turn it on, I want a message on the serial monitor showing that it is on, okay? And then you turn the LED off. When you turn it off, another message on the serial monitor showing that the LED is off. Okay, so you can leave it on for 1 second. Serial monitor also shows on. You leave it off for 1 second. Serial monitor also shows off. Okay, so make sure you do that assignment, and I will see you in the next video.